When we go outside, there's something that wakes up the children. It's sort of just, they're alive.
Well, nature kindergarten can be a lot of different things, but for us here at Swift, we use it as an opportunity to engage our students with our local outdoor environment and to take that learning into the classroom and make it meaningful. So for us, we are outside every day, rain or shine, wind or snow, and we use those seasons and what's happening locally in our own backyard as a way to drive our learning.
The children also get to just really genuinely play outside, be kids and discover. They jump in puddles and find living creatures, and they just have a genuine childhood experience.
The ability to explore really brings out this engagement and this excitement about learning. So when we give them the opportunities to actually get into the creek and explore what's in there, they're probably going to find more, they're going to discover more. We teach them very intentionally about how to be safe and that there are lots of creatures that live there and we are giants in their home. So we want them to be, careful and mindful and have gentle feet in that water and make sure that we're being careful about all the people around us, but also the little creatures that live there.
We step back from our sort of high teacher role where we're imparting knowledge to the kids, and we become sort of co-learners with them. So we chat with them about what they're discovering and what they're wondering about, and it's what drives our program. So their questions and their wonders we bring inside and we learn about them on the inside.
So when we collaborate as we play, we're learning to work as a team, we're learning to communicate, we're learning to share our ideas and listen to others, we're learning how to use our creative thinking and our critical thinking to solve problems. All of these skills that we want to have as a grown-up, we want these students to develop as they graduate high school, we're building on that as we play.
Sometimes children that don't fit easily in the wall of a classroom fit really naturally outside, and you get to see their strengths and see who they really are, and it's just the most amazing thing. The way that we learn outside and what we discover together is incredible, and I wouldn't trade it for the world.